Antarctica, Earth's southernmost continent surrounding the South Pole, is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth, with temperatures dropping below -80 degrees Celsius, -112 degrees Fahrenheit. Inland, though coasts are milder, it hosts unique animals like penguins, seals, whales, blue whales, orcas, krill, and albatrosses, uniquely lacking native land mammals, but supporting hardy insects. Temperature and location. The continent situated around the South Pole, south of the Antarctic Circle, surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Coldest, it's the coldest continent, with average interior temperatures around -55 degrees Celsius, -67 degrees Fahrenheit, and coastal averages of -10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Record low. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -89.4 degrees Celsius, -128.9 degrees Fahrenheit at Vostok Station. Animals of Antarctica: birds, penguins, emperor, adelie, chinstrap, gentoo, albatrosses; marine mammals, seals, leopard seal, fur seal; whales, blue whale, orca; invertebrates, abundant krill, shrimp-like crustaceans, form the base of the food web, plus various insects. No land mammals. Apart from some hardy insects, Antarctica has no native land-based mammals, relying on marine life. Adaptations to cold penguins. Huddle. Emperor penguins huddle together in large groups, raising the internal temperature significantly to survive winter breeding. Marine life. Animals like seals and whales thrive in the frigid Southern Ocean, where temperatures hover around 1 degree Celsius, 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Antarctica has many mountains, including its highest peak, Mount Vinson, which stands at 4,892 meters, 16,050 feet, with other notable peaks like Mount Tyree, 4,852 meters, and Mount Kirkpatrick, 4,528 meters, also part of ranges like the Ellsworth and Transantarctic Mountains. Key mountain ranges and peaks. Ellsworth Mountains, the continent's highest range, containing Mount Vinson, Mount Tyree, second highest, Mount Gardner, and Mount Shin. Transantarctic Mountains, a massive range with peaks